Okay, so it's a little bit different with the Halloween here. Hanalei is Draculaura, so instead of going out trick-or-treating and getting candy, she has the candy and she likes to give it out to the other little boys and girls because they celebrate the Day of the Dead. Okay.
Happy Halloween.
Oh, come on. Okay, thank you.
Maybe you scared them too much.
Yeah.
We don't
Yeah, we know.
know Halloween, so.
Yeah, of course. She's just wanting to give because no one does it here. We do it back in the USA.
Okay.
They give candy usually to the children, and she's giving it to other children because we celebrate it in the USA, but they don't do it here.
Okay, and what's the history? Do you know the history between Halloween?
I know the history.
Yeah.
The history is about Halloween when you celebrate the people that you love. By going to people's houses and giving out.
It originated from the Day of the Dead.
Yeah.
The Day of the Dead. It originated from the Day of the Dead.
Oh, okay. We have it on the 1st of November, I think, or the 2nd
Tomorrow.
of November. Yeah, okay.
Mañana.
Oh, that's Halloween.
In the US, we dress up in costumes.
Yeah, okay. Oh, that's
And here we are.
to each other.
Sunset
Oh,
of Halloween in the Canary Islands.
Oh, yeah, I see.
We're walking to the Halloween party.
Yeah,
All right, Draculaura. And what are you, Mom?
Cowgirl.
Cowgirl.
Cowgirl, let's go.